That's why we cook him not even in our mouth.
I will cook him and enjoy.
Alright.
So, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, another beautiful day out fishing, you see what I say? Out here with one of my subscribers them. You see what I say? General forward from way up in the to come take piece of the action. You don't know Jamaica Lifestyle Black TV, and want to say big respect to every viewers, every subscribers. That's what I say. So people, today is an unusual fishing, you know, because I want to show you something, you know. But they're right here, so right now I tell us I'm very scared. Because you see here, so water ever beat till it climb way up there, so you get what I say. Yes, so it's a dangerous place to be, but from I come here start fishing, at the first I see the tide so low, I don't really I go stay here so long. You get what I say? But I think I'm going to take a few tour and see what it's like, yes, so. But in the meantime I watch the tide, you know. See what I go on? Yeah man, so water box up here, so I look wild deep, so you don't know. Then one place so we have to be careful. But then again, babes want to leave a like on the video. You see what I say? Share the video, subscribe. You see what I say? Yeah man. So yeah, and abroad, big up on yourself. You see what I say? Father Artel, big up yourself so you don't know. You see it? Whole Jamaica Lifestyle Black TV family, you see me? See it there? So I think I'm going to find myself up on this one at a time. But let's go and keep it locked to the channel, my beautiful peeps. You see it? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, so this is our first catch for the day, you know. We call them here slimy parrot. You know? Nice size one this, you know. See him there? Beautiful, you know. See him? As me I say, we're out here with a subscriber, so gonna make you see the general in a minute. You see me? Where am I going with? But this is my first catch for the day. Yeah man, nice good slimy parrot, to call them slimy boy. You see them here now peeps? Them here fish here. You have to watch how you hold them, because they will juke you. You get what I say? So see me? To them igloo full of ice to, you know peeps, so hard to stay fresh and water in the too, so see the peeps? Nice you could catch. Yeah man. So first catch for the day. That's what I say. We look across this now. See the general around this, so the film thing, you know. How them a go on? How them a go on? The nut now go on.
Nothing like that. That's what I go and do it, man.
Alright then peeps, so I just go and keep it locked, you know? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, so second catch of the day. See it there? Double dose of pilot, you know? 2 1 time, you know what I mean? See them there? 1 2, you know how long I not catch a pilot? Look at that. So 2 1 time, you know peeps, so take them off quickly. Put them in a igloo. You see what I say? Yeah man, and send out what the line out there, because you don't know, you know, I don't have no time for yesterday, you know. You see what I say? Yeah man. So look at that man. Double dose. Yeah man, pilot to everybody love laugh off, you know what I mean? Yeah man peeps, so this is my third catch. This is called a turbot, you know. See him there? Yeah man, them I fish them take off the skin. Or you take off the skin off of him, you know. Yeah man, see it there? Them I fish where you take off the skin. Yeah man, nice fish when you take off the skin. And what thing left there? A flesh. You get what I say? So this is my third catch. You see it peeps, you see what him does do? Just to show you. Bite him, bite the line, you know. You see me jar him up, see it there? bite the line, peeps. See it there? So, yeah man, a turbot, you know? So, drop him in a igloo. Nice fish, peeps. Nice fish. Yeah man, and I take off him skin. Fresh out low and left. You get me? And like the shrimp him bite pan this time. You see it? See it there? It's a turbot himself. Yeah man. So get a couple more chew and see what I go on. You see it? Yeah man, just go and keep it locked here. Yeah man peeps, pilot, you know? Nah chew him away, you know what I mean? Still, you know? Pilot. So now I say, you know, 3 pilot in the igloo, you know, peeps. You see me? Now, fret about that still, you see it? Still fish down. Out there we have go back. You get me? Yeah man peeps, so what's going on? Fox come change the vibes, you know. On that fat one, yeah. Yeah, man. 2 for 1, you know. Catch it deal, you know, peeps. 2 for 1. Yeah, man, I'm going to tell us a Fox third jack that I'm going to want me. I'll show you them in a minute, but I don't know, you know, man.
Yeah, man, peeps, you know, I go.
Hey, man. They're going to start showing. Yeah, the next general down there, you know. Outside, you know. Don't know where we go. We out there said we have man said speed, you know. Don't come make it look like we're not try. Really mean. What? Nice blue boy. Yeah. Yeah, that basket full already to play.
Oh, that's the fuck, right?
Yeah. The man basket plus the dog have one over here, so. Watcha. Make it look like we're not try.
Alright, man. Them like it.
Alright, them man I make a name that, you know. Them man I don't catch one and then come and see you not catch nothing, you know. One more for Father Fox, you know, peeps. See him there? Can't hit you no call, boy them out there, you know, jack boy them, you see me?
Yeah, and the rock is so shallow.
Yo, my general, jaw close to the small line. You see me? Yeah, man, see it here. See mine, you know? Yeah, man. One more of them, you know? And guess where boy them a bite? Boy no bite the lobster, you know?
Soldier and bite?
Yeah.
I'm not tell you?
Yeah, man, peeps.
You know, pass it. Soldier, I do something for them, you know? Deal them, nah, I couldn't run with so easy.
Yeah, man, I feel me case and but still peeps. So 2 me catch and 1 drop off, you know.
I feed them, man. Give them some, look. All I eat them, and I catch them, and smash them up and throw them.
Peeps. That's a deal, gin up for good on the back. You don't know I go. Quick and fast. Yeah, man, peeps. Yo. We have to laugh in the car, boy, man come and shame we out here. You see me? But Jano, you done grab a pilot, you know?
Catch a 1 pilot.
So I go on there. Father Fox, you know, man, general, you know, man, who knows the world boss, you know? You know, from him forward on here, you know? You see me? Trouble. Show no what go on. Suppose you can give him piece of ice, you know, and look up on him there. Make him cover it with some trash. But yeah, man, people, me no go on bad. That pilot, I look out for film jack. Cool. Yeah, man, I post to 2 jack.
Nice turbine.
They say boy bite it. When me did that chat off my mouth, man. Yeah, man. See the peeps? Igloo badness, you know? Pilot them for father.
No, nah, the pilot them.
Are you name Fox, you know, man? Sneaky, you know? Throw the man, throw that in my basket, you know? Yo, we all laugh off a fox in the car, 2 pilot to done catch, you know.
Yeah, remember they have a whole heap of things back
Yeah.
I mean, I've got
night session I come down, you know. Look there now. Go say, you know. You say I mash up a night session with General. I like you lucky at night more than day, you know. So that's what I go on, you see me? That is it, you know, people see it that we're there from in the day. They run off look a bit at night, you know. Why see fox always come show we up. Make them laugh off of it. You see me? But nothing wrong with that in the team, you know, you see me? So you rather a pick, you know.
Yeah, I watch him. You want to see what's up?
And bend it up. People so if we can't catch action then when they bend down the rod.
Dead enough.
You saying dead?
He's dead funny.
You saying get catch bunny?
Yeah.
See it there, peeps? Same thing? You see if he says a blue boy?
I don't know how I want to look for it, but in a game for fight, I could live with you.
So how fox know saying dead look while and he not done it right?
Yo, I want to take a line of sound.
What for your line?
Yeah. Bridging.
A bridge in a jar up, you know?
This, yeah. Something up on the line, yeah.
Something up on it. Jar you up same time then. Nothing up on that, man. Whoa! 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 Them man. Doctor! History that in a man.
Tell us something up on me. Feel a drop on my foot, you know, man. Feel a drop on my foot, man.
You see them catch you? That no name 2 for 1, you know. That name 1 after 1. You see me? Boy, me I tell you. Remember we out to see him, you know? Swing line and do the right thing.
That's why we cook him that evening in our mouth.
How we hook him and enjoy?
Alright. We did them still did it.
And he hook himself in joggy and a swim past here and he just hold him.
So, send back his same date them out.
Who hook himself, man?
Once as he hook himself, the top of the rod start vibrate, son.
Who him no know what I'm to him a blow up? Does a fret. We're outside, man. The man are lucky with the snap of them at night, you know, people, so you know, look out for him, you know. I watch him in 2 pilot them and catch. Nah, man, fuck. Can't deal with this, so daddy. Yeah. Last time I see my 17 pilot to the 17 jack, you know, boom, man. The police set them back in. You see that?
Knife him,
Them back one day they see me there.
As he come touch him, knife.
Hold him, man, hold him. Don't make him get to it.
What they out there?
Yeah, man. Two jack boy that in a peeps to them there. Yeah, man. Am I lying that?
No, I don't think so. Just go that. Yeah, you're lying that, switch you.
Yeah. Whoa. Eh? Whoa! Chub! Whoa! What you say? Your time you know me then. Throw him in a bucket, yes.
That's what's
Think a joke thing I go on. Never catch a trouble night, you know?
I catch a zebra.
Peeps of evening vast with our approach as I sit. Out here. Do the right thing, you know? Father facts. Send them back in line, you know what I mean? Well, 30 pounds.
18.
18 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, use that
like
catch
the line,
off.
man.
Yeah, catch off with that.
This? I want 30 pound snapper.
That can drop 30 pounds snapper.
What do you mean?
But you can't go come over here.
I can't lift him up with it. You fight him and kill him with it.
You chuck off him, you know.
To dry him.
You go for him, man. You see the water car, you can't climb up back there. It's general over there, so, you know. Fish now for a pilot, them, you know. That are true, that are true. Yeah. Yeah, man, peeps, first catch 3 night session, you know. Bait. Yeah, it's a bait, we have to use him as bait, you know. Yeah, wrap up in our next line when we have out there, you know, but don't know. Deal. See him there. Boy, I have to go gilging over back my line, you know, man. Rig up back my line, isn't it? Whole team out there, see him where you see it. I go on over there, so. Father fox over here, so. You see me?
I see me.
Right thing. Soldier crab take with himself there, so.
Wow.
Oh, a thief. In the night, he might make him move.
Never know you could have come out.
Catch a red-handed boy. Yeah, man. Official hole in the night, your fox hole something, you know. And feel fox.
Yeah, so cool.
Yeah, man, nice. All that grunt. Yeah, man, nice grunt in the night here from Father Fox, you know, man. Broken night curse, you know. Fat up his string more, you know. The string over there, so. Yeah, man. What a thick lip grunt.
White grunt,
White grunt. Yeah, man, I started at 3 show all times, you know, man. Yeah, man, night session. I'm going over there, my general. Eh? Not yet. Alright, just patient there, sir. Alright. They're outside, man. Yeah, man, look over there. See me? Get back to some catching, so I'm just going to keep it locked, man. Yeah, man. Sick up a fox on the microphone stand. Take him up, my boy. Take him up, yeah. Yeah. You see that red tail there?
Yellow tail.
A yellow tail? Well, like you put them down, fox. Like you put them down. Yeah, man. I like you put them down, fox.
Stop the line. How are you doing?
Let's try it here. See him there. Boom, boy, you put it sitting up on it. Boy, you got a bus here for you never have a wire upon it.
I'm saying can't bust off the
I
side.
feel mouth, that's it.
You know, them the teeth.
Nice yellow tail, you know, peeps. See him nice, sit up there, see him there. Nice! Daddy fox!
Nice boy. Open your mouth, boy.
My man.
Tell some slap your hard, man.
Boy, fox, I can put them down, mask. I now get a bite. Yeah, man. Basket full.
It's kind of full of tea.
That's I mean. Man alone catch a two things that make sense in the night, you know. When you come in the night catch, you know. Good look, you know. Yeah, man.
Boy, I want far up, my friend, you know. Good distance,
I'm going farther.
Boss, I murder them.
Yeah, what the boss I murder them.
I go around
You don't feel no big.
one job, feel all about.
So I'm alone left out in the cold. Jaja know.
Wheel up and send you up. Kangatone.
Oh, your father fox night, yeah, sir. Hello, we making shine, you know? Yeah, man, a kangatone, you know?
Don't not up the line, you know, man.
Yeah, man, I'm seeing the people, nice kangatone, you know what I mean? Welshman.
Think you're open.
People remember, you know, man, Fox do him roast fish too, you know, man, and him jerk chicken, you know what I mean? And him soup. So, probably some of them are dip on the menu all when? Monday?
Monday before I go back on the back.
Yeah, man, so an idea we are going to go down there and catch everything on camera and make you see what I go on, you see me? Probably all Monday coming to the touchdown.
The game can play.
Yeah, man, I see what I go on, you know what I mean? So, film night, you know. Boy, man, beat we a day, beat we a night. Boy, I don't know if I say that, sir.
No, nothing.
Why, people? Fox can't complain, yeah, sir. Watch it.
Complain.
Can't complain at all. Snapper. Why? All you up good make the people and so on, yeah, sir. Jesus almighty, everything there on this. Yeah, man. See it there, man, but the snapper I talk at the town, you know? So what go on? Nice. Nice gold tail, you know? Fox can steal the show. See me? Can't say him go in and him know how long we out there longest, you know? See it there?
Can't complain, man. Height, man.
Yes, I know how much pound that? About 6, 7?
5 pounds, 5, 6 pounds. Not past 6 pounds.
Father Fox go along good.
That's it.
Where you go on, my boss? The first time for the ground, you know, man, you have to worry yourself. You know? Sometimes the first battle you battle, you know, go on good, you know? But, you see me? Why, babes? Look, catching ya. There's a keep him for the fact.
Boy, I'm telling you, say no. I done the on the ice ready to.
Keep him now, man. So, go on, peeps. That one here, Foxy grab him, you know? But you don't know. Now go and chew your body, you know? Go and chew your body at all. You see me? Don't know the thing come down.